Alright, hey, what's up everybody? We're back at it again with another video. Finally, this is not a vlog. We got this, I'm trying to think what we got here. Oh yeah, so we got this Hootoo external hard drive for your iPhone and your iPad. Nice, please. Thank you, sir. So basically, oh yeah, so we're doing an iPad giveaway. If this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers, I have a 12.9-inch iPad that I'm going to be giving away. Beautiful iPad. I do all the work on this channel on the iPad. Yada, 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 yada. So stick around to the ending of this video to learn about the giveaway. Usually I... Ting. Hootoo. I would say, Hootoo joke, but I don't know any, apparently. So basically, I cut it open and it came out to the side of the stupid thing. Oh yeah, I forgot about you over there. So basically, Hootoo, right here. Here's the back of it, I have no idea. It has a pull tab. I'm guessing. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill myself here. This is so exciting, you guys. Wow, look at this. Look at that craftsmanship. You see that, you guys? What? Look at this, dude. It looks like I could just survive a zombie apocalypse with this tool alone. Have you seen this, James? Look at this. What? Basically, I'm sure that there's probably nothing else in here, but let's check. Who knows, maybe there's some drugs. I don't know. I'm just kidding. You never know. Trust no one. Alright, let's put this to the side. Check this out, you guys. That is so slick, dude. What? Wow. Crazy, huh? Oh my nails are terrible. Wow. Oh my god, I just killed 20 people already with this video. Oh. Alright, so basically let's crack this boy open. Crack one open with the boys. Wow, look at that. I don't know, I'm just kind of tripped out about the aluminum build on here. Basically, you stick this in to, your iPhone, obviously. I mean, unless you're like over the age of 55, and you probably didn't know that. And you stick this part into your computer. Basically, in a nutshell, I won't need Wi-Fi anymore to transfer stuff over. So that's a game changer for me, because I've been using Send Anywhere, and I've been relying on that, but man, gigs takes a while, to send. Anyway, I'm rambling. This is the 128 gig version. That's pretty much it for this video. So hey, we're doing this giveaway. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment. And we just did a giveaway for the Cannon Box for reaching 100 subscribers. We reached a growth of 50 subscribers in 1 month. So I think giving away an iPad at 1,000 subscribers is it's good, because I'm giving back to you guys ultimately, and plus it's helping my channel grow so we can post more stuff, us and our family. We'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, let's leave this right here. Deuces.